Hi, and welcome. My name is Dr. Nancy Chansey. I am a holistic practitioner in North Georgia, and I run a clinic called Natural Healing Concepts. You can check out my website at naturalhealingconcepts.net. I have a background as a licensed clinical social worker, and I've been doing mental health treatment for almost 30 years. And I also have a PhD as a naturopath. And a naturopath, basically, I work to help people find balance using natural methodologies such as herbal tinctures, food for medicine, exercise, water, massage, things like that. So I have been doing natural, holistic healthcare for about 15 years in my clinic. And I wanted to talk to you today about a product that I endorse and tell you why I'm endorsing it. About a year ago, I work with PTSD clients, and I have a lot of veterans on my that I work with. And they began to ask me questions about using CBD oil. And at the time, I really didn't know that it was even legal in Georgia or throughout the country. I will say now that it is federally legal through the 2018 Farm Act. So all hemp-based CBD, as long as it is under 3%, 0.3%, in the U.S. is legal now. So just for your knowledge. States might have some different enforcement on that, but federally it is legal now. So I began to do my research about a year ago and testing out products with my clients and myself. And I tested out 6 different products before trying the product that I truly believe in and stand behind, which is Hempworx. And I'll tell you why. My client saw an immediate difference in the results. The product, other than one product that I was finding on the internet that I thought was a good product, turns out it had lead and mercury in it, which was really scary that I was actually recommending that to my clients. It's cheaper than all the other products that I was able to get. And it was more effective. So I saw immediate results for myself, and my clients saw immediate results. Why is this product different? Why do I stand behind this one and not the thousands of other CBD products on the market? Well, one reason, and the main reason, is because it works. And I've seen hundreds of testimonies personally, myself, but also thousands through this organization that are flooding in. It's amazing what this is doing. And we'll get to that in a minute. But it's grown in the U.S., it's grown in Kentucky, and it is attached to a research facility. So it is the only farm in the U.S. that is really federally regulated because of that research facility. And they're federally compliant. So not only the farms are federally compliant, but also the research facility and the facility where they process the hemp, okay, the CBD and the hemp. Most hemp products today, guys, are coming from China. China is the world's leader in hemp production. The problem with that is all the contaminants and heavy metals, the pollution. It's not regulated. Yeah, it might be cheaper, but it's not more effective. Okay, so be careful when you're buying your CBD. Know where it's coming from. The other reason is, so it's grown in Kentucky. It's non-genetically modified, non-GMO, which I think is super important. It's on organic soil. Every batch is tested. Every batch is third-party tested so that you know that there are no contaminants, no heavy metals, no pesticides in this product. That is super important, guys, because right now there's a hemp revolution going on, and you know, these farmers that weren't making any money doing tobacco or corn, you know that every cornfield is sprayed with pesticides. If they start growing hemp on a cornfield, guess what? It's going to be full of pesticides. So you got to be sure You know where your source is. Make sure it's third-party tested. CO2 extraction is the top of the line in the industry. You can't get better than CO2 extraction. I'll tell you why. Because it extracts the plant in its natural state. It doesn't heat it. It doesn't use chemical extraction. There's no chemical residue. So CO2 extraction, it's more expensive, but if you're going to do CBD oil, that is the top of the line. Okay, that's the Cadillac of CBD oil. So this company does that, and they also guarantee it for 60 days. So you can try this, and if it doesn't work for you, you can send back the empty bottle. They'll return your money. So you're not wasting your money, because there are a small percentage of people that CBD might not work for. Very small, because I can tell you in the hundreds of clients that I have that are using this, or friends or family, almost everybody has had a huge benefit from it. The other reason that our product is different, GenCanna is the farm that produces the CBD oil, the hemp-based CBD oil for Hempworx. GenCanna is a leader in hemp production in this country, and I'll tell you why. They have created a patented processing called fresh lock seal. So when they harvest the hemp, they seal and lock that plant instead of drying it. So drying is a big problem, just like the tobacco industry. You get mold and mildew, and also the oxidative breakdown of the plant. So it's not as potent if it's been sitting around in a warehouse for 2 months. Just like your food's been sitting on the shelf for months or weeks, it's not as potent. It's not as healthy for our body. It's not as vital. So this product is so unique in that, because we have a patent on that. GenCanna has a patent on that fresh lock seal, which I think makes this product so much more potent. I've definitely seen a difference in myself and in my clients and what it can do for you. So I just wanted to share that with you, that the results are phenomenal. If you would like to be added to a website so that you can see all the different testimonies, I mean, I'm talking, dogs that weren't walking and now they're running around playing like puppies. It's getting rid of hot spots. It's getting rid of anxiety for my clients. They're sleeping. They're some of my clients are having to come off their medication because CBD oil can actually help all these different systems in your body function better. Opens up chemical communication pathways in your body. So it's like a regulator, and it's the best balancer of the body that I know of. So I can add you to that if you'll just private message me and say I want to be added to your testimony website. I think there's over 70,000 testimonies now, and you can search these testimonies to see if CBD would help your condition. As a naturopath and as a licensed clinical social worker, I can't tell you to go against your doctor's orders. I'm not diagnosing or treating any kind of medical conditions, but I will say that CBD oil, and this particular CBD oil, is better at balancing and fixing things in the body than any other substance I have ever used. And I've used a lot of herbs. I've used a lot of plant-based medicine, homeopathic medicine, all kinds of different modalities for healing and treating the body. And I've never found something that can do all the things that this can do. And researchers are saying now that we actually need this. We have an endocannabinoid system in our body. We have CBD receptor sites all throughout our body, including our brains. And if our bodies aren't producing enough, then the chemical communication breakdown happens. So phenomenal results. We have a 500 milligram, and we have a THC-free, certified THC-free formula. A lot of people are afraid to try CBD because they're afraid it might show up in a drug test. Our full spectrum, this is our doggy oil. It's a full spectrum. Has a trace amount of THC. So the legal limit is 0.3% in Georgia and throughout the United States. Ours has 0.03% in the full spectrum. Very small amount. Shouldn't show up on a drug test, but if you're taking the 750 or a lot, if you're using a lot, it could. So if you're worried about it, we recommend the THC-free, certified THC-free formula for those people. And guys, I use that. I started with the full spectrum. I now use the THC-free formula. Just as effective. I haven't noticed any difference in how it works with the conditions in my body. I'm not allowed to talk about all the different things that it's done because I can't list medical conditions, but I can tell you that it's made my hair grow. I just got my hair cut again. My hair hasn't grown in years, and this is a wonderful benefit. It's not only helping my hair grow and get thicker, but also my skin is looking younger. I use it on my skin. I actually use this apple stem cell cream, which has CBD infused in it. It's amazing. I've actually thrown away, I don't know, I had 10 jars of other stuff that I was like, okay, I'm sold. Also, we have a Revive, which is a collagen and retinol serum. So you use that at night. It helps with wrinkles. And then we have a relief cream. This relief cream, guys, works on any kind of pain. And I have tested it on clients that were like super, super skeptical, and they were, you know, they were like, wow, this works. And it works really fast, like 5 minutes. I don't care what kind of pain you got, it'll take care of it. And it's natural. So I know there's an opiate crisis in this country. I believe that this is a solution. It is 100% natural. Our bodies need it. It's cost effective. A lot of my clients are getting results with just 3 drops twice a day. That's what I take. Some need 5, some need 10, but you know, for the majority of the cases, you don't need a whole lot to get results with this product because it's so much stronger. So I recommend you try it. I can send you a website. Just private message me. I'll send you my website link. And on my website, I have research on there for you. I have research links and information. I've got testimonies about this product, news shows that have featured this product. And one of the nicest things about it is it does have a 60-day money-back guarantee. We also have a new sample pack that comes with 2 vials of the CBD THC-free formula. Lasts you about 2 weeks. And then it's got the 3 creams. So I hope that was helpful and informative. And stay tuned for more health and nutrition videos coming soon. I've got some other really exciting products that are just coming in that are helping on the cellular level for people to get healthier. So here's to your health and have a great day.